Hello, today we're going to go through the steps to complete the pre-assessment activity for the TSIA2 in order to receive our pre-assessment activity certificate. The website that we're using is practice.accuplacer.org/login. If you have never created an Accuplacer account, you would want to click here on Don't Have an Account, Sign Up. A couple of things to point out here about this part is that you're going to put in your first name, your last name, your email address. That needs to be a personal email address. So please do not use your TOPS email address. You'll want to be able to access this later, and TOPS email addresses cannot receive information from other places other than a TOPS email. So please make sure you're using a personal email address. You'll choose a password, and then you would click sign up. All right, in my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to click sign in. That's going to get me here to this screen where I choose a practice test. Now, since we are here in Texas, we need to choose this Texas Success Initiative 2.0 pre-assessment activity. It tells us Texas students start here. You must take the PAA prior to the TSIA2. So we're going to click there. That takes us to this screen where we can choose Begin Pre-Assessment Activity. All right, so at this screen, the very first step is to select your institution. So for our institution, for the campus, we're actually going to choose Huntsville ISD. So our scores here at TOPS are reported to Huntsville ISD, so that's why we choose Huntsville ISD as our campus. Click I agree, and then next. This next screen is going to give us, for step 2, it's going to give us a lot of information about the importance of the TSIA2. So please read through this screen down to the bottom and then click next. That's going to take us to the sample tests. There are 2 sample tests. Each sample test has 10 questions each. You're going to take both the English Language Arts and Reading, ELAR, and the Mathematics sample test. So again, 2 sample tests with 10 questions each. I'm going to skip steps 4 and 5 because I don't want to give you the answers to the tests, and I'm going to skip ahead to where you actually find your pre-assessment activity certificate once you have completed all 5 steps. You actually click here on History in the top right-hand corner of your screen. And then under Action, you can click View Result. And your pre-assessment activity certificate will be right here in your Accuplacer account. So this is what you would upload to the survey. This is your pre-assessment activity certificate. You want to make sure that it reads Texas Success Initiative Assessment 2.0 Pre-Assessment Activity. Thank you.